Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zen to Zen Studio. First, make sure your Zen device is powered on or that it has at least a 25% charge. You will also need to download the Zen Studio software from its official source. Install this application on your computer, ensuring it is the most current version available. This initial preparation ensures a smooth connection process later on. Next, we will make the physical connection between your Zen device and your computer. Take your micro USB cable and insert the smaller end into the prog port on your Zen, which is typically found on the side. Then, carefully plug the larger USB end of the cable into an open USB port on your computer. Ensure both connections are secure and fully seated for proper data transfer. Now, launch the Zen Studio application on your computer. After a few moments, you should see your Zen device recognized within the software, usually indicated by a green icon or specific device information populating. If prompted, it is crucial to update your Zen's firmware to the latest version directly through Zen Studio. This ensures compatibility and access to all features. Finally, verify your connection by checking the device status in Zen Studio. It should clearly display connected. You can test functionality by dragging and dropping a small game pack or script onto your device using the Programmer section. If you encounter any issues, try connecting your Zen to a different USB port on your computer or use an alternative high-quality micro USB cable. A strong connection ensures stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.